Two of the hottest generative AI video tools right now are Google's Veo 3 and Runway's Gen-3. But which one is actually better? Well, today we're gonna compare the two with one prompt as a real-time example. Let's get into it. All right, so for today's prompt, we're doing something rather simple. Let me remove the quotes here. Now we're gonna generate an 8-second clip of a surfer riding a wave at sunset. Medium format. In the foreground is a dog playing fetch with its owner, a combination of ocean sounds and waves and some emotional provocative music with a faint sound of dog tags as he runs for the ball. We're gonna paste that in there. And we're also going to paste that in there, and let's make sure one prompt. And you know what? Let's do quality. Okay, 10 seconds. Now I know that Google Veo 3 is limited to 8 seconds right now, and that's why I originally created this prompt this way. But let's see what happens. And I made this myself. I didn't have AI generate this prompt. I think AI would have generated this prompt, keeping it just a surfer riding a wave at sunset. But I personally love dogs, and I thought, how cool would it be to have a cinematic video of a surfer in frame catching a wave at sunset with a dog playing fetch in the foreground. So, oh, wow. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. Looks like generated with Gen 4. Now, it's not a video, though. Interesting. Oh, first I'll create an image of the scene, then bring it to life as a video. Foreground should be the beach, shore. Dogs can't walk on water. Okay, cool. I love that it gave us a preview and didn't just start. That's actually a really cool feature. Whereas Google Veo 3 didn't ask. It just did its thing. Interesting, though. Let's watch Google Veo's output here. Hold on. Let me switch audio so you don't hear that echo sound. Okay. It's not perfect. Not perfect by any means. So I think I should just take that out of there. Okay, we're gonna move the dog should be on the sand out of the water. Okay, now I think I'm gonna switch this up. We're gonna simplify this prompt just to compare. Generate a cinematic clip of a surfer riding a wave at sunset. I think we're gonna keep it at that. Because I think I got a little too complicated with my imagination. All right, we'll paste that in there. And I wanna see what Runway does here. And we will compare that initial. Okay, now it's just gonna generate the video. So I feel like I asked it too many questions, or maybe it thought that, hey, this is enough. So I'm just now gonna generate. I really gotta say, upper hand to Runway for the fact that it creates a sample image before it generates and wastes those credits, because it just used up like 50 credits right there to generate this video. And I'm only on the free plan, so we should have enough to create this cinematic clip of a surfer riding a wave at sunset, but you know, I really love how it tries to save your credits by doing this. All right. So it didn't do the sound. It missed the beat on the sound. Don't like it. I loved the chat feature, but I did not love the output. So now we're going to start a new chat here. And I will go back and start a new chat here. And we are just going to do a quick fast generate and generate. It's the simplest of prompts. And we'll compare this output as well. Ooh, very cool. Okay, great. So it's already generating a video, it looks like. It only took 25 credits there. Interesting. Could have sworn it took more credits previously on the the failed example that we provided. Oh, that's because it's only 5 seconds. Got it. Okay. Very AI. Sorry, Runway. I already don't like it. Now, as the person prompting, I should have given it a more specific composition, but the whole purpose of this test is to give it the simplest of prompts and to see what the output is. Let's go check out Google's Veo 3. Google wins with this prompt in my book. Now, I'm sure I really love Runway's confirmation before generating a video. That's a cool feature that I hope Google implements. But as of now, just the raw tests that we did with a super creative, imaginative, and not the best prompt with the dog playing fetch in the foreground, Google Veo 3 won that one in my opinion. And then now with the simplest of prompts, Google Veo 3, it nailed it. It nailed it. And it gave us sound, which is a nice added benefit. So yeah, between the two, if I had to choose, Veo 3, hands down. Now, this is not any shade on Runway. I'm going to continue to test it, but I thought with all this talk around Veo 3, with me using Veo 3, I wanted to find a competitor and compare it with the free version. And I gotta say, I'm happy with my Google Veo 3 subscription, so I'm gonna stick with it. Now I'm curious, which one looks better to you? I've given you my opinion and my perspective on this, but do you agree? Do you disagree? Why? Drop a comment below, let me know. I really wanna hear. Now, I'm not an AI expert. I'm building in public and sharing what actually works. If you'd like to see me make a specific video around a particular topic, drop a comment below. Let me know who you are, what you do, who your target audience is, and what your question is, and I will add a video to my queue, custom tailored just for you. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. My name is Marcelo. This is Clearmud, and clarity matters.